Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss. Start by rinsing and soaking your sea moss until it is soft and pliable, then blend it with fresh water into a smooth gel. Store the gel in an airtight container in the fridge and use 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving. Use it in smoothies, soups, or as a thickener to enjoy its texture and benefits daily. Making sea moss gel is simple and calming, and it stores well for regular use. After soaking, drain and rinse the sea moss, then combine it with filtered water and blend until silky smooth. Adjust the water amount to get a thicker or thinner gel depending on your recipes. Pour the gel into a clean glass jar, label it with the date, and keep it chilled so it stays fresh between uses. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are perfect for portioning and transporting sea moss gel without spills, and they save cleanups after blending. They stack neatly in the fridge and make meal prep so much smoother. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Sea moss gel is versatile and easy to add to your routine with no fuss. Scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons into your morning smoothie, blend it into soups as a natural thickener, or mix into oatmeal for a nutrient boost. For topical care, combine a small amount with honey or aloe for a hydrating face mask. Start small to gauge how your body responds and adjust portions based on taste and texture preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.